Today. You're over here? Okay. Hi, Josh. Thanks for subscribing, Josh. You guys follow Josh. Go ahead and subscribe. Share. Because you know I'm always funny as hell. And this is going to be hella funny. And you should share funny with other people. It's good for your health. So, somebody asked me to tell you about one of my first seances. Yeah, that's what I said. And Josh, wait, what did you ask me for? Smacking or burping? I forgot. Burping, I think. Yeah, KFC. Hope your microphone's working good. How is it, man? Good, good. He's not talking, must be good. Chicken, chicken, chicken. You know me. So, for those of you that don't know, I grew up in spiritualism. Yep, that pretty much means I believe in talking to spirits and other things like aliens and saints and grandmas and grandpas that have been on the other side for a minute. Yeah, just like the Sixth Sense. So, I don't know, I think about 13, 14? I think so. And we met Reverend Zitlow, intertransitory medium. That's where the spirits use her voice to talk through. But it didn't come out her voice. It came out, the other person's voice before they crossed over. So it didn't sound like, my grandmother. It sounded like your grandmother. Oh, Josh, I can get soda. I got lemonade today, so not going to be a lot of burping in this video. I like to let stuff soak. So, we met Reverend Zitlow, who has a spiritualist church, which means they do readings and stuff. Healings. Not like the Baptist church. Not like that. Just saying. So, we go there, not really knowing what to expect. So, of course, no, we don't do the hand-holding thing. Because if something got inside Grandma, it just go through all of us. So, no, none of that hand-holding stuff that you see on Live Vision. So we did the prayer for protection, and we're in a gutted out bathroom, which is barely big enough to fit all of us. Okay, maybe 10 people could fit in there. Well, I come from a huge family, so we fit. With the little tiny baby table to put the recording on. Sorry, excuse me. I mean the recorder on. Sorry. So of course we do the prayer for protection, and we're sitting there waiting, and Granny's waiting, and finally we run and say, "Okay, honey, you're welcome. Come on in." So Of course, the first person that came in was my other grandma, my mother's mother. And of course, we're like any other humans. Hi, how are you doing? I mean, come on, really. She came there, and of course, my grandmother's voice came out of my grandmother, not, you know what I'm trying to say. So, yeah, I move my food around a lot. Leave me alone. Oh, that's so good. It's so good. We should get this more often. Chicken tenders.
I forget that we have bottle, but the bottle of sauce like a packet. I know you don't generally do hot sauce, right?
So of course she says, like, she totally ignored the question, how are you doing? And so of course my mother, she didn't say anything. My crazy sister Pat, what are you doing? She said, I have a tough time taking care of all of y'all. And of course we're all roaring with laughter, and it's, funny and new and exciting, And then other spirits come in just to say hi, how you doing? Good luck, way to go. And then, oh my God. I wish everybody could have the feeling that I felt that day when, I don't know. I'm just going to exaggerate and say thousands of Indians, literally, on horseback, trampled through the room. It was just like an earthquake. Of course, everything is shaking to the beat of the drums. It was amazing. It's 106 here today, right? We need a lot of lemonade. Or whatever. So, you're sitting there in awe because you're actually hearing the rum, dum, 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 rum, dum, 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 and all these horses just running through the room. So what clock was on the wall fell off, and the old-fashioned cassette recorder bouncing on a little tiny table. It was so much fun. And for those of you who don't remember, that was the day that my sisters decided to put on these 4-inch long acrylic nails painted bright green. It was Christmas. And my grandma was like, girl, what is that mess you got on your hands all lit up like a Christmas tree? And she's like, you can see me? She says, of course, we see everything you guys do. So she says, ooh, my sister's terribly shy. She's the type of person that would take her shower, comb her hair, put her makeup on fully, and get dressed in the bathroom with the door closed, never ever coming out until she's fully dressed. So she says, oh my God, a lot of things I won't be doing anymore. Yeah. So every now and then after that, I always tell her, have you had sex lately? I bet Nana saw you. No masturbating. That was funny as hell. Of course I see. Anywho. And then the trumpets came. I don't hear about trumpets and stuff nowadays anymore, but... And then trumpets are just like the trumpets in the scary television movies. They're just hovering little horns that appear on their own. And the gems and money and pearls and stuff come out of it. And Granny's like, don't anybody touch it. And I'm like, oh, come on, can I just have one pearl? She said, well, first of all, it would burn your hands. And second of all, it would disappear and go back to spirit. Oh, darn. I was young. I wanted proof. Well, not proof. I just wanted something from spirit. So, and then it went, turn by turn by turn by turn by turn. And I think that was the one where, you know the saying, you can't have a Moni without a test, right? So usually on the first day of class, Angels, Teachers, and Guides, I know you've already gone to sign up, right? On theangels.org, right? Mm-hmm. So some guy came in, and Grandma said, Tasha, this gentleman is here to see you. He said his name is such and such, and his son's name is Ray, and you go to school with him. And I'm like, okay. He looks like this. He's in the hospital bed, and he's considering, going over. But he wants you to tell his son to come and see him. He wants to give his son a message. And I'm like, me? I was young, and scary. And boy, as soon as I left Granny's church, my throat swelled up like a bullfrog. Couldn't eat, couldn't hardly breathe. My throat was so swollen. So, when you can't do anything, you can't do anything. Anyway, of course, eventually Ray was driving by my house, and he came in, and I just told him, I hear your dad and my mom went to school together, blah, 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 blah. How's he doing? Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen him in a while. And as soon as I opened my mouth to say, go see your dad, my throat was fine. I could breathe normal. I ate a lot that day. And that's my testimony. You can't blame everything on retrograde. Bad luck or bad whatever. It's just a lesson. After that, I vow never to keep my mouth shut again, and I never have. When you sign up to get a reading, whatever they say, I say. I give two shits less if you care if you like what you hear or if you don't. My purpose isn't here for you to like me. My purpose for being is to give the messages. And then my uncle came in. And my sister Pat, with her always wanting proof of everything. Come touch me, Uncle Arnold. And of course now the table that the cassette recorder is on, none of us, can just touch it. It's like in the middle of the circle. So you hear the table rumbling, and we could hear the steps crunching on the carpet. It was amazing. Absolutely amazing. It's nothing like you ever think it's going to be. If you've never done it before, nothing like that. And then after that, we started taking more and more classes. And those classes I call Angels, Teachers, and Guides. reading, right? I think so. Because that's what it's about, talking to your angels, teachers, and guides. Not just your ancestors, black people. We have other people on the other side than just ancestors. It's not the only spirits you talk to. Or we want to talk to. There's billions of them that just come to leave a nice, sweet message and go on. Because they got work to do too, just like you got work to do. And your work is to do your work and ask them for assistance, and their work is to assist. It was so much fun. And then as we're going down the stairs back, heading home, because the reading room was upstairs in the church. My grandma's joy guide chimes in and she's, I go home with you. And she sounds like a little, I don't know, like 5-year-old toddler or something. I go home with you. And that was the first time, we heard of Butterfly. We know of Butterfly. We know who she is, what she does. But we never heard her voice before. So we're all, she spoke out loud and we heard her with our human ears, not just inside, our head. It's absolutely amazing feeling, So get your behind over to theangels.org. Sign up for your classes. And talk to Grandma, Grandpa yourself. I hope YouTube doesn't pick up her music. I should have told her I was recording. So, sorry, Josh, I tried. I have to tell you, there's almost no better feeling in the world than being able to just, go into a deep meditation and get somebody's answers to help them in life. And yeah, they say a lot of readers can't read themselves, but that's why we have tools, I can't find them right now because they're buried underneath all my crap, but let me take this time to show you my latest piece. It's lapis on the top and turquoise on the bottom. So yes, this piece goes for $80 plus shipping. And today I'm going to start another one. And another, and another, and another. So, as you know, I have been doing more and more readings here live. And of course, it's a lot of fun because you guys' energy is really good here on YouTube and Facebook. Energy hasn't been too good on Incredible. Wow. Instagram. It's okay, but most of the time, I do my readings on Facebook and YouTube Live. I just do what I'm told. Life turns out better that way. And no, it's not any harder than learning to do anything else in life. You know, to read, write, run, walk, hate. No harder than that. So you can use your spiritual gifts too, you know. And a lot of people are afraid. It's, oh, what if I'm wrong? What if this? What if that? The only way you're going to be wrong is if you lie. Oh, think about that. Because just like anything else, after a while you adjust, right? So, there you go. There you have it. There it be. And that's all it is. So, oh, I gave you one burp, Josh. There you go. Probably all I'm going to get today. Man, it's so beautiful. It's kind of weird though, because I'm used to seeing like snow on the mountains over there, wherever that is. There's nothing there today. For all you burp lovers, I'll get a soda next time. In the meantime, don't forget to be good to yourself first. Like, share, subscribe. You know I appreciate it. And just have an awesome day. Bye, 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 bye. Mwah.